It's plugged into the wall with one of those heavy duty coil slinky type plug, you know. Fun stuff. The UPS truck showed up yesterday with some boxes. I've already unpacked everything out of the cardboard, but I have not opened up the individual tools yet. Of course, I ordered them, so I know what's in every box. These are tools I've had my eye on. I've wanted to integrate into the Smart Woodshop. And Kevin Criswell, he kind of got me going in this direction on this one. This will be a fun one to show you. I've already shared a video he did about this tool. This one, there's a lot of parts and pieces in it. It's not complicated, but it's one that I've needed because I sold a different tool a couple of years ago that this was replacing. This is much smaller, much more affordable than the other one I had, and it'll fit my mobile shop, my portable shop, much better. This one will get used every day. This one will absolutely be used every single day, non-stop. If you would like me to do an unboxing of each, probably a couple of videos to go through, particularly this one, because there's a lot to it. But to go through them and take a close look at all the parts and pieces, what you get, talk about what the purpose is, and why I wanted to integrate them into the Smart Woodshop. If you want me to do video or two like that, you need to comment in this video down below. If there's enough comments, then I'll take the time to do those videos. Needs to be quick though, because I am ready to use these, and once I open the boxes and pull everything out and integrate them into the drawers and cubbies, I'm not going to put them back in the boxes to do an unboxing. So again, comment down below if you want to see those videos. If you find those unboxing sort of upfront tool reviews helpful, then I'll be happy to do them. And speaking of tools, this bench that all of this new Festool stuff is sitting on is the Smart Station, the Paulk Smart Station. This is my tool bench. It houses and carries my miter saw, my table saw, my routers mount on the other side, the vacuum goes underneath, it's on wheels, but this is a big deal to have this tool bench, especially when I'm in small spaces, but even in big spaces when it's nice to move across the room so that I'm not walking so many steps. But in a little space like this where I've got to work in this little one car or out in the carport area, I'm constantly moving them around to take advantage of the space. When I'm going to do a rip on the table saw, I've only got 3 or 4 feet in this position where it's most of the time. So I'm able to open this door over there and move it, and then I can get a piece of wood to go from that door through out that door. Couldn't do that if it wasn't on wheels. And all of the accessories like the cradle that holds up the table saw, and then the other workbench tools you see me use, that's important, because if I just had the table saw on the ground on its stand, then every time I wanted to move the bench, even just a few inches, I'd have to reset the table saw. The only tether to this is the power cord going to the outlet, and that's one of those slinky style heavy duty ones. I've shown that in a past video. So I can just move this around, and my vacuum's on board. When I turn the saw on or run the miter saw or run the routers, the vacuum comes on automatically because everything's plugging into that. And when I move the bench, the vacuum's floating with it, the table saw, router tables, everything. I can just move it around without having to reset. Saves me a lot of time. And again, small jobs, big jobs, it saves me a lot of time on both. And then there is the Smart Bench, kind of the heart of the whole thing, the Paulk Smart Bench. I use these two in conjunction. I like to have my clear bench, with nothing on it, with all my clamping options, and do my cross cutting and all those things on this. So these work really well together. I also have the Smart Woodshop itself. That's the trailer that houses all of my tools, carries my shop from job to job. If you want to get a set of plans to build any of these benches, the Smart Woodshop, or any of the accessories, there is a link in the description of this video down below. And I really appreciate it. The plan sales really are the heart and soul and support of this channel. The YouTube channel, it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of money, camera gear and just my time, editing and all to produce these, and that support is necessary. Also, we appreciate it when you use our affiliate links on Amazon and TSO and Atlas 46 and hopefully others coming. They give you the same price every day, but share a little bit with us. Helps, again, support the channel. Now YouTube has that thanks button, so you go there, click on it, and you can contribute a little bit directly. So all of that helps, as well as watching the videos and giving a thumbs up and commenting. All of that stuff helps, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.